In this video you will learn how to recover lost data from HP USB flash drive using DDR USB drive data recovery software. If you have lost data from USB due to any reason, such as unintentionally USB drive data deleted, accidentally formatted pen drive, USB drive failure, USB drive not removed properly, and others, we have successfully tested our software on different type of USB drives. Run DDR pen drive data recovery software. Connect your USB drive. Software has 3 recovery modes: Basic Search, Deep Search, and Signature Search. Select any recovery mode and continue. Basic Search. Select your USB drive from physical drives list in the drives tree and continue. This mode is quick and recovers files in most common data loss cases on the basis of fundamental partition parameters. Recovery is under process. Files recovered successfully. Deep Search. Select your USB drive in the drives tree, choose file system from FAT or NTFS that was existing in your USB drive before data loss, and continue recovery. Deep Search thoroughly scan the media to recover data even in complicated data loss cases. Recovery is going on. Data recovered successfully. Click on Save button. Browse the path where you want to save recovered files. Files are being saved. Signature Search. Select your USB drive from physical drives list and continue recovery. Select your data files extensions. Signature Search find different file types, regardless of file system structure of storage media. And browse the path where you want to save recovered data and continue recovery. Recovery is under process. Files recovered successfully. You can view recovered files. Click on Open Containing folder. Thanks for watching.